Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your WhatsApp status. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, let's go ahead and access our WhatsApp. So let's say you did uploaded one of your status, right? So what we're gonna do, we're simply gonna go to this updates option, tap on the status update, and we're simply gonna go ahead and add a status and that we would like to create to. It's gonna be visible for 24 hours for us, and we're gonna tap on this share. So we have now shared ourselves that status, right? Again, we're going to tap on it, and let's say we would like to delete it. Then we're going to tap on this three dot on top and tap on this delete option that is just given right below. And if you tap on it, you can see delete one status update. We're going to tap on this delete, and our particular status is now deleted, and then again it shows this plus icon beside our profile for us to add a status right there. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.